Okay, we have a circle. We make a unit radius. So it doesn't matter to prove this whether we use the general circle or one is simpler. And n-sided polygon, we have to make some guess. Okay, what is the best guess? I would say try hexagon, and if that's not enough, it's a double it later. Okay, the strategy is we make a hexagon inside and measure the circumference of hexagon. Obviously it's smaller than the circle. Okay, so for example, if a hexagon, this is unit length, so you have 6 of them, it's going to be 6. So the circle has 2 pi, so pi is 3, right? Obviously, but that's not enough. Question is asking to prove pi is larger than 3.1. So we have to improve this hexagon to much closer to the circle. So we introduce the midpoint of each intersect and draw another line, and we make the 12th triangle, right? So what's happened is 2 pi is larger than 12L because this length is L. Okay, so that means pi is larger than 6L. If you square, pi square is 36L square. Now this x, if we know this x, since this is half, the Pythagorean theory, we can get L square. So L square here, to calculate that, the half square plus 1 minus square root of 3 over 2. That's square root of 3 over 2. So you subtract that from 1, that's the x. So this is the x. Now that is larger than this. Okay, here the question is, what is the square root of 3? And everybody may remember that's about 1.7, but not sure about. Okay, and we're not sure how accurate you need to get close to this 3.1. So we need a little bit try and error to get close. By the way, I heard that this similar problem is given as the entrance exam for the Tokyo University, and they don't allow the calculator. So you have to do a lot of paper and pencil calculation. So this number is slightly, if you square, slightly larger than 3. That means the difference is smaller. So we can claim this whole number is smaller than this, right? So if you multiply 36, then this is 4, so we get 9. 9 is alright, because 3.1 square is 9.61, right? Okay, so this is a 9 here, so this should be larger than 0.61. Now we calculate this, then we will get this value, and this is 6.1. So obviously pi square is larger than this, which is larger than this. So pi is larger than 3.1. Okay, so with calculator is easier. Without calculator it's kind of hard, because you don't know how accurate you need to go over 9.61 here, 9.61. Let's try 1.73, right? So what's happened is 1.7 and square times 36. Oh, it's going to be, this part is going to be 0.656. So it's not enough. You need to go this accurate, 1.733. It's very tricky here. You have to go this accurate in order to exceed this value. Okay, so we have more challenging question you want to try out. Please check Dr. Lee's math. Thank you.